The tools we're going to need are a proprietary pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips head 00 or a 000 screwdriver, a Y-tip double or 000 screwdriver, a suction cup for pulling the screen apart, as well as a plastic pick for prying the screen apart, a metallic prying tool for removing the adhesive that waterproofs the phone around the contour of the screen, and a plastic spudger for pulling the connections apart.
iPhone out.
Remove the shield that guards the ear speaker and the camera. Go ahead and remove the 3 Phillips head screws that you see here first. With those three screws removed, you can go ahead and lift up the shield and move it over to the side. Now let's remove the 2 Phillips head screws that are securing the ear speaker. Go ahead and remove the 2 Phillips head screws. Peel back the camera, and the speaker should come right out. Here's what it looks like up close. The camera can just be tucked over to the right, and then pry underneath with your plastic prying tool, and the cable should come right out just like that. That's the first part. Now fold it up, and the ambient sensor is still right there. Go ahead and push that out gently, and that's it. The camera is free. Here's what it looks like up close. Now let's prepare the home button for removal. The home button is secured with 4 Y-tip double or triple zero screws, go ahead and remove the 4 Y screws. With the 4 screws removed, you can move the shield over to the side. The home button's prepped. Now we'll need to remove the LCD bracket. It's screwed in with 3 screws on each side for a total of 6 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove the 6 Phillips head screws. With the 6 Phillips head screws removed, go ahead and pry the LCD cover upwards gently. It's still slightly glued in the bottom, so gently peel it right off of that connection like you see here. There you go. It should come out with ease. Now let's disconnect the home button from the LCD screen. Just with your plastic prying tool, gently pry underneath the ribbon cable like you see here, and it should pop right out. Now the home button is ready to get peeled out of the LCD. It's still glued in slightly. Go ahead and slide the plastic tool underneath, and it should pop right out from the other side. Unlike previous iPhones, this home button can only be removed downwards. So you have to push it back in the same way as well. Here's what it looks like here. Go ahead and loop the home button back through from the front. This is the only way it can go back in.